Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you 5 best vacuum sealer you can buy right now. Are you looking to save more money by buying more dry food in bulk? Or maybe your produce or frozen meats are going bad before you get the chance to use them. Whatever your situation, perhaps it's a good time to invest in a vacuum sealer. Vacuum sealer works by sucking all oxygen out from the space around your food inside a bag or canister, and then sealing those containers to prevent air from leaking back inside to spoil your food. So I bring best vacuum sealers for you. I made this list based on my personal opinion, research, and the popularity of the product. I sort this list according to its price and features. I have included options for every type of user. If you are searching for budget best vacuum sealers, then we list a product for you. If you want to buy one of these products or want to check updated price of any product, you can check the links in the description. So let's get started. The first product in our list is Giant Vacuum Sealer. This compact vacuum sealer doesn't include some of the bells and whistles that the big boys do, but it does one thing you buy it for. It vacuums and seals bags for freezing, food storage, and sous vide cooking. This can use any brand of vacuum sealer bag rolls up to 12 inches wide, or with a pre-made quart or gallon sized bag. To seal bags, you place the end into the machine and press down to lock it in place. Then press the vacuum button. A sealing indicator shows the progress. Or you can stop the vacuuming at any point to seal a bag before it is fully vacuumed, which is great for delicate foods. You can also operate the sealing function without vacuuming first, which is great for making bags. Reviewers love how affordable and easy to use this vacuum sealer is. To get you started, this includes 5 7.8 by 11.8 inch bags and one 7.8 by 78 inch roll of bags material. This does not have a bag cutter or integrated bag storage. As you know guys, everything has its pros and cons, so let's discuss some pros and cons of Giant Vacuum Sealer. Pros: it is affordable, straightforward to use, lightweight and compact. Cons: it doesn't include a bag cutter. The fourth product in our list is NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Vacuum sealers preserve food up to 5 times longer than regular plastic bags, and this particular model was subjected to in-depth lab testing to ensure that it does just that. Reviewers praise this vacuum not only for its compact size and quiet operation, but also for its versatility. Two sealing options, dry and moist, allow you to seal anything from soup to chicken or steaks for sous vide. It has a suction rate of 12 liters, around 3 gallons a minute. With smaller times being sealed in as little as 4 seconds. The kit comes with 5 medium-sized vacuum-sized bags. And 1 extra large vacuum bag roll, both of which are completely waterproof and reusable. If you need more, replacement bags are easy to repurchase from NutriChef or other vendors. Keep in mind that you do need an inch or so of room on each side of the items to successfully seal it. The more air the vacuum is able to remove, the longer food will stay in the fridge or freezer. Let's discuss some pros and cons of NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Pros: quiet operation, small footprint, simple to use. Cons: it doesn't have a removable drip tray. The third product on our list is Anova Culinary ANVS01. This sealer is intended for use with the brand's popular sous vide cooker, but it works well for food saving too. The super sleek and simple one-touch Anova is designed to extract air quickly and seals tightly. Use it with bags of different sizes for serving groups of 2 or 10. The best part is that it has a small footprint, making it ideal for people in apartments or homes with limited cupboard and counter space. However, the trade-off is that the no-frills model doesn't come with accessories beyond 10 pre-cut bags like other options. Reviewers also like that it includes a pulse section feature, which lets them have more control over section, especially when sealing delicate foods. Let's discuss some pros and cons of Anova Culinary ANVS01. Pros: sleek and compact, easy to use, includes a pulse section feature. Cons: not many accessories included. The second product in our list is FoodSaver FM2000 Vacuum Sealer. It is available in silver or black. This FoodSaver model is affordable and easy to use. It features an easy latch lock system that can be operated one-handed. The control panel is intuitive. It will suck the air out of bagged food and seal them, then turn itself off with the touch of one button. Reviewers like that the vacuum feature can be controlled, so you can choose to suck all the air out of a bag or just seal open bags of snacks like chips and pretzels. It comes with a removable trip tray that is also dishwasher safe. So this sealer can be used to preserve wet foods like marinated meats without making a mess. You will also receive an accessory hose that's compatible with food saver jars and canisters and 3 1-quart sealer bags, 2 1-gallon sealer bags and a 10-foot vacuum seal roll. But you will save some counter or storage space with a smaller unit. Let's discuss some pros and cons of Food Saver FM2000 vacuum sealer. Pros: easy to use. Vacuum feature can be controlled. Includes removable dishwasher safe trip tray. Cons: no roll storage. The number one product on our list is Food Saver V4840 2-in-1 vacuum sealer. Food Saver is known for well food saving system and it makes some of the top best-selling vacuum sealers available today. This vacuum sealing system is fully automated, so using this machine is quick and easy, as many customers have confirmed in their positive reviews. It features automatic bag detection that starts the vacuum sealing process and moisture detection that selects the correct mode whether you are selling marinated steaks or pantry snacks. There is a light display to indicate progress and the machine turns itself off when the job is done. It's also easy to clean thanks to a pull-out drawer that houses a dishwasher-safe drip tray. This model also has built-in roll storage, a bag cutter and a retractable handheld sealer that can be used to preserve pantry snacks, cereals and nuts in Food Saver zippers, bags, canisters and containers. These convenient features plus a 5-year limited warranty. Let's discuss some pros and cons of Food Saver V4840. Pros: fully automated makes it simple to use. Powerful suction is quick to seal, easy to clean. Cons: there is a small cooling period between seals if handling a large volume. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video. And if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.